Hi guys! Good evening! I just arrived home at nag-crave ako ng popcorn. Yan guys, microwave popcorn. So guys, the popcorn is cooked already. Ayan, nag-pop na siya and I have a bowl here. This is, what do you call this one? Butter flavor. Let's taste guys. Lagay natin dito. Because I love butter. Let's eat guys. I still have here. Look. Kain. This is my merienda. And I have here my mineral water. So good. Who wants some? Take guys. Yummy popcorn. Tastes good. Masarap guys. Favorite ko talaga tong popcorn. Kapag nanonood ako, tapos ayan, magse-cellphone, kumakain ako ng popcorn. Ayan, kain tayo. Musta kayo guys? Mahulog. Dito ang weather is hindi maganda kasi kaninang tanghali mainit siya. Kaninang umaga umambon. Tapos kaninang tanghali mainit. Tapos ngayon na naman umuulan. Kaya the weather's not good. Hindi maganda. Sa inyo guys, kumusta naman ang weather dyan? Ayos ba? Ako lang mag-isang kakain nito. Microwave popcorn. Masarap siya kasi mantikilya flavor. Ayan. So guys, paano? Kain tayo. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!